How do I choose stocks to trade? So I look for companies, especially in the Employed Trader series. I pick 6 stocks that I can go and look at every day. And what do I look for in them? I look for stocks that have really good volume, and it's good, consistent volume. And it's good, consistent volume that's over 1 million shares traded per day. I like them to be over 1 million shares traded per day because it's a lot easier to control volatility in that aspect. If you have 50,000 shares traded per day, somebody can easily go in there and buy 50,000 shares and they become the average volume of the day. When I'm looking at stocks that have 50 million shares traded per day, it's a lot different. I also look for stocks that don't have a lot of volatility, but I look for stocks that have really nice trends that last for a long period of time. And why is that? I want to find stocks that I can get into that will go for several months in a row, staying in the sweet spot long term while the stock price just continues to climb. So taking out volatility, giving me a stock that has a lot of volume, giving me a trend that stays in the sweet spot a long time from both perspectives. I want to stay in the sweet spot. This was Caterpillar, and this lasted through half of last summer. This was earlier this year. This lasted from March all the way through April before I would have had to exit. And if we go back just into 2021, Caterpillar was in the sweet spot and went sideways for nearly 1 year. You could have stayed in the stock for 1 solid year. So stocks that I look for are stocks like Caterpillar, Lockheed Martin, Apple, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, AT&T, anything that gives you something that does not have a lot of volatility, has a lot of volume, has a lot of trend. How do you find these? Just go and search for different stocks that have a lot of volume. Make sure they're blue chips. You'll be okay.